हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सी सी टेक सोल्यूशन में। आज की वीडियो में बताने वाले एसक्यूएल स्टेटमेंट के बारे में। द सेलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ए मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड कमांड इन ए स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज. इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सेस द रिकॉर्ड्स फ्रॉम वन और मोर डेटाबेस टेबल एंड व्यू. इट आल्सो रिट्रीव द selected data, follow the condition we want. By using this command we can also access the particular record from the particular column of the table. The table which store the record written by the select statement is called a result set table. Syntax of select statement in SQL. Now let's first select keyword and now number of column 1, column 2, column n, and from keyword and table name. Whatever you want to access the data from the table, then you can use like this. And if you want to all the data access from the table, then it will use this command. Now let's start the how to create a table and how to insert the data. You can by this command we can use and insert command. Using insert command you can add the data all the multiple column and multiple row at a time. And now by this command you can create the table in a database. Now let's start the practical now. And in a now I'm already written here, and you can see the by this command we can create the data in a now command is successfully run. Now when I run this command, then it will all the data insert in the table. Now 7 row affected. See, select statement, select star from stick from table students. You can see the all the data by this select statement. All the data here presented, and show all the data now as we are inserting in the table. Now let's start the next topic. And now select, now go for the next. I want to select the distinct row from the table. Now use this select distinct star from table students. Now we can see the distinct row of column of table of data. Now distinct, I want to see the distinct number of first name. We can see the distinct number name, distinct name here. Yes, Yatin. Now you can see the all the data, and these all are the distinct name. And so the distinct row of the data. And now see, and we can also show the grade. Distinct number of row, and according to grade. Now next move, next start the select top. If you want to select the top two row from the table, now you can use this command, the select top statement in SQL. Show the limited number of records or row from the database table. The top clause is the top clause in the statement specify how many row are written. It show the top n number of rows from the table in the output. This clause is used when there are thousands of records stored in the database table. Now let's start practical how to show the top n number of the column. Now let's see. I want to select select top three three first name from table name students. Now let's see the top three number of age 20, 19, 18. Now let's start the SQL select in. In is an operator in SQL which is generally used with the where clause. Using the in operator, multiple value can be specified. It allows us to easily test if expression matches any value in the list of value. In operator is used to replace many or condition. Now let's start the now let's see syntax of in operator in SQL. Select column name from table name where column name in here is the keyword in value 1 value 2 value n. Now let's start the practical now, and in keyword select first name from a student where name first in Bhavana then we can see the it is present in the table Bhavana name, then it will show the name. Now we can also add here and comma Yatin. Now let's see if it is present in the table, then it will show the automatically all the name. If it is a match the it is replace the all the or keyword. Now if by and we can use if it is show all the name not in, वो सारे डेटा उठा कर लाना है जो इस टेबल में इस नाम से नहीं होना चाहिए. Let's see, यही the no Bhavana, यही no Yatin. You can see the all the data without Bhavana and Yatin. SQL between keyword. The between is a logical operator in SQL which fetch the records from the table and within the range specified in the query. We can use this operator to select number, text or dates. The between operator in SQL include the starting and ending value. And select now let's see the syntax of the between keyword between operator. select column 1, column 2 and column n from the table name where column name and between value 1 and value 2 it is move for the practical. Select now percentage from table student where percentage between 18 and 90. Then it will show the all the data between 18 and 19 percentage marks. Then you can see 75, 89, 89, 78, 51. These all are the between the 18 and 90. Next point, the SQL select from multiple table. We can select the multiple table from the data by using join query. Now we can study about next video and other video. We can use all the join query now. Let's say all SQL clause, where clause, end clause, or clause, age clause, age it is a alias and having keyword, and also other all are the keyword presented in the SQL. These all are the SQL clause. Now let's move forward and where clause, where it is used, and end where it is used, and or, as, and having. Now let's move forward and we can see here is the where clause. It is used to filter the all the data from the table where you want to show how who are the column we want to show the, so then it will use the where keyword. Now I want to end keyword. Now let's see, it is the conditional operator we can see, and conditional operator we can see, and is a it is show the all the data between 18 and 90, and it is the move forward to alias. Now we can see the select first name from student. We can use here the alias, age, or name. It is used to renaming the any column. It is not permanently, it is just show the temporary on the basis of the temporary show the column. Now you can see this alias, what is the behavior of the code. Now we can see the first name is not showing, it is show the name 1. It is refer the first name as a name 1. If I remove it, then it will show the full name, first name, and you can see. And if it use as keyword name 1, then it will show the name 1. You can see here. Now move next, and now we can see after some time we'll see the having keyword, having clause. Now move the, and now let's study about the where clause. Where clause in SQL is a data manipulation language statement where clause or not a mandatory clause of SQL a DML statement, but it can be used to limit the number of rows affected by SQL DML statement or written by a query. Actually, it filters the records. It's written only those required which fulfill the specific condition. Where clause is used in select, update, delete statement, etc. Now SQL, and we can see I already say about the return. It is a filter to filter the all the data from the table. It is used the select, update, delete command. These all are three commands used in the where clause, and it is used to mainly filter the data from the table. Now let's see SQL end command. And now the SQL end condition is used in the SQL query to create two or more conditions to be met, and it's used to SQL select, insert, update, and delete. Our next point is let's see the syntax of SQL end. Now select column from table where condition 1 and condition 2. It is used between condition two data between first condition and second condition. It is used between and. Now let's see the SQL and condition required both conditions should be met. And now let's next point the SQL and condition also can be used to join multiple table in the SQL statement. It is also used to join multiple the table in a SQL. Now after sometimes we'll see the how to join and next video, and after in 2 and 3 video we will see the SQL join keyword. Now let's understand to understand this concept particularly, let us the example, and we already see and where it is used the end clause and where clause we are already see. And now let's see SQL or. The SQL or condition is used in a SQL query to create a SQL statement where records are written when anyone condition met, anyone condition met. It can be used in a select statement, insert a statement, update statement, or delete statement. Now let's see SQL select edge. It is a alias to select all the data. We have already see the how it is used. Now we can understand this SQL edge is used to assign a new name temporarily to a table, column, or even a table. It make an easy presentation of query results and allow the developer to label results more accurately without permanently renaming table, column, or even the table itself. We are already see the as a practical we are changing the name, but it is not a changing permanently. It is a temporary basis the change the by the alias the naming convention. We can after sometimes we will read about the order by, and after other the clause we are study about next video. I thank you for watching my video. I will meet you next time.